What's happening, everybody? It's your girl Marley. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel because why not? In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I what? How I Alright, y'all, I'm sorry, but I had a brain fart. But what's up, everybody? It's your girl Marley. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome, subscribe. So in today's video, I am installing the deep wave wig that I had gotten from Amazon. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I prep the wig, go watch my previous video, and I'll link everything in the description below. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it.
Seeing how you move, imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. If you hold me all the way down and fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. I'm with you all the way. Ooh, you looking good, you got me going. I love it when you put that thing in motion. I got some things I wanna show you. Just let me in it, I bet I could have you floating. Pull up to the crib, blow up your spot, I'll make you miss it. Way you looky lost, I know you got them feeling sicko. Throwing up them bands, sit back and watch them billies trickle. The way she do the vibes, it got me focused on that center. I hit it to your tits, come back down to keep it real. So good, I lock it down, I got for crystal for that finger. Got them bitches living, but that shit ain't no thing, cause I mean it when I say I've been on to you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. If you hold me all the way down and fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. I'm with you all the way.
Okay, you guys, so that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I see y'all in the next one. Bye.